India is strongly leading its fight against COVID-19. From increasing the number of medical equipment to carrying liquid medical oxygen, India is trying to combat COVID-19 with every possible means. While the Indian Armed Forces are constantly supplying the essentials, on the other hand, DRDO is engaged in setting up oxygen plants across the country. To counter the COVID-19 surge, vaccination is the most potent weapon. In a significant achievement, India's cumulative vaccination coverage has exceeded 17.72 crores, and more than 34.8 lakh beneficiaries of age group 18 to 44 have been vaccinated so far. News is best told in stories, so let's hear an interesting story of COVID patients morale boosting. To boost the confidence of COVID-19 patients, Daman and Diu's COVID ward performed a unique experiment. To relieve the stress of patients, the hospital staff played songs on Akashvani radio. The patients were seen applauding and dancing to the rhythm of the music. In the world's largest vaccination drive, women came ahead and turned it into a mass movement. Rishika Chandel Singh is a television actress. She belongs to district Saran, situated in Bihar. She urged the citizens of her district to be self-aware, get vaccinated and follow COVID-appropriate behavior.
मेरी आप सभी सारण वासियों से अनुरोध है कि प्लीज कोरोना वैक्सीन लें। समय समय पर खुद को सैनिटाइज करें, मास्क पहनें, खुद भी अवेयर रहें और दूसरों को भी अवेयर करें।
Anup Sen is a nursing officer. She said, "We have to choose between two options, virus and vaccine, and it's better to go for a vaccine." She requested the people to come forward, participate in the vaccination drive and make it a successful mass campaign.
मैं वैक्सीन को चुन रही हूँ। सरकार द्वारा बहुत ही बड़े स्केल पर वैक्सीनेशन का प्रोग्राम चलाया जा रहा है। वैक्सीन बिल्कुल सेफ है। कृपया सभी इसके साथ जुड़ें और इस मुहिम को सफल बनाएं।
Leading the battle against COVID-19, the women of our country are ready to get vaccinated.
मैं सुकीर्ति बिंद्रा, नर्सिंग सुपरिटेंडेंट आईजीएमसी। मैं कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए तैयार हूँ।
सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी भारत सरकार का व प्रदेश सरकार का कि जिन्होंने इस वैक्सीन को जन जन तक पहुंचाया, तथा मैं इस वैक्सीन को लेने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार हूँ।
Senior specialist and surgeon Dr. Manish Sharma informed the only way a viral disease like COVID-19 could be controlled is through vaccination. Sharing his experience, he further added that there has been no definite medication for viral influenza. He was only hoping that somehow a vaccine comes and eliminates COVID-19. Let's hear Dr. Manish's experience of getting the first dose of vaccine.
I happily and voluntarily took the first vaccine on the first day of the drive. After taking the first shot, as I was sitting in the observation room, the first feeling which came was of relief, that something is there with which we had a hope of finishing this COVID epidemic and maybe getting back to our normal lives.
Dr. Pooja Chauhan is an assistant professor at the Community Medicine Department situated in Daman and Diu. Dr. Pooja informed that she has taken the second dose of vaccine and has also received a certificate. She apprised that she faced no side effects and is completely fine after getting vaccinated. She also urged the people to get the vaccine jab.
आज सेकंड डोज लेने के बाद ही मुझे ये फाइनल सर्टिफिकेट मिला है कि मैंने कोरोना वैक्सीन का दोनों डोज ले लिया है। मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि आप आगे आए और कोविड का वैक्सीन लें।
Now let's meet a 90 years old brave man, Haji Ghulam Muhammad. He belongs to the Goma town of Kargil district situated in Ladakh. He says that he hasn't faced any difficulty ever since his vaccination.
आज कराची चांग तकलीफ चांग छाविंदु दरे तकलीफ से दे चांग रोन रोमा अफवाइन सु अफवान ला तकलीफ माबा न्यान मयान मा दरे या केस बने जगह जगह
Dr. Dinesh Singh Sangar works at Gwalior Nagar Nigam Hospital. After taking both doses of the vaccine, he urged the citizens to get vaccinated and protect themselves.
25 फरवरी बुखार और गला सूखा, थोड़ी बहुत हल्की मेडिसिन ले ली, नॉर्मल हो गया। अब लोगों से मैं यही करूँगा कि आप जितने ज़्यादा हो सके लगवा लें।
In order to defeat COVID-19, vaccination is the strongest weapon. Our government, hospitals, armed forces and healthcare professionals are consistently stepping up their efforts against COVID-19. We must understand our responsibility as citizens and get ourselves vaccinated. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.